My current title is product manager. Natural fiber welding is a platform through which we can take natural materials and turn them into new materials that behave in ways that you previously only thought maybe like a synthetic type product could. And so you can take natural things that grow around us in Illinois and the greater United States, and you can kind of cleverly combine them into a new material. So here we've got some fabric testing going on in the back. Really help in the long run the environment, the planet, and it's become something that I'm very passionate about. In the last 3 years at NFW, I've done things like human resources, intellectual property management, shipping and receiving. In high school, I never actually knew exactly what I wanted to do. And so I went to ICC, I tried a couple different paths. And eventually I transferred over to Illinois State University and got a bachelor's degree in business administration. And it makes sense, I've always thought of myself as a bit of a generalist. When I saw this job posting in natural fiber welding, I'd never heard of natural fiber welding, hardly anybody had. 3 years ago when I applied, I really saw it as an opportunity to get involved in a small company that was growing, that would have a lot of opportunities for me to grow. And that's what I've really loved about NFW.
Headed down the hallway to check out a couple of Mirum sheets, see what the quality is like, and hopefully be able to get some out to the customer today. Here, I'm not seeing anything too crazy. I think they'll probably like them. Some people want to make some wallets out of this Mirum material. Customers who make nice athletic shoes might get something like that, as well as handbags, wallets, leather belts, car seats, and upholstery. Anything right now that uses leather. We look for people who do a lot of their own kinds of projects, and people who will just set out with kind of a blank canvas and just say, like, I think I'm gonna build this thing. I'm gonna work with my hands today. I'm gonna try to create something from nothing. And like, what have you made? You know, have you just, not for school, like just something you were interested in and you went after it and you did it. Like, tell us about that. Those experiences are really valuable.